Good morning to all of you. So today we are going to discussing about the external ports and cables. In our previous class we discussed about the different kinds of the storage devices which are used to store the data in a computer within the computer as well as in the external side of the computer. So before going to discussing this subject, all of you please all of you subscribe my channel. So what are the external ports in case of the computers? So that is nothing but video ports and cables. So video port connects the monitor to the computer using a cable. A video port connects the monitor to a computer using a cable. Video ports and monitor cables transfers analog signals, digital signals, or both. Computers are a digital devices that create a digital signals. The digital signals are sent to the graphics card where they are transmitting through the cable to the display, to the digital display. A digital signal can also be converted to the analog signal by a graphics card and transmitting to the analog display. So lower image quality is a result of converting a digital signal to analog signal. So a display and monitor that supports digital signal will provide a better quality or higher quality than those supporting only analog signals. So there are a different types of a video ports and connected types. So that is nothing but first one is nothing but digital visual interface DVI. So DVI connector is usually white and consisting of a 24 pins. In that, 3 rows of 8 pins for a digital signals and 4 pins for a analog signals and a flat pin called ground bar. So in case of the digital vision, మనకి DVI కేబుల్లో వచ్చేసి మనకి టోటల్ 24 పిన్స్ ఉంటాయి. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 24 పిన్స్లో 4 పిన్స్ ఆర్ 4 pins for analog and 1 flat pin for ground bar. So remaining is used for the digital format. As well as specially DVI-D handles the digital signals only. So here represents DVI-D means that it only handles the digital signals only. It does not deal with the any kind of the analog signal. But where in the case of DVI-A means that it handles only analog signals. It does not carry the any digital signal. So DVI uses a dual link interface which creates a two groups of data channels that can carry more than 10 Gbps per second of a digital video information. So next one is nothing but DisplayPort connector. DisplayPort connector is nothing but a DisplayPort is a interface technology that is designed to connect high-end graphics cable PCs under displays as well as home theaters equipment under displays. The connector consisting of a 24 pins, 20 pins can be used for the audio, video or both. So DisplayPort supports video data rates up to 8.664 Gbps. So that is a DisplayPort connector. So next one is nothing but mini DisplayPort. Mini DisplayPort is nothing but a smaller version of the DisplayPort connector. Is called as a mini DisplayPort. It is used in the Thunderbolt 1 and Thunderbolt 2 implementation. The next one is nothing but HDMI. It is the most advanced and most of the PCs uses this HDMI cable. HDMI cable means that high definition multimedia interface was developed specially for high definition televisions. However, its digital features also make it good candidate for computers. There are two common types of HDMI cables. Full size HDMI type PA cable is a standard cable used to connect audio and video devices, and mini HDMI type C is used to connect laptops and portable devices such as tablets. Well, in case of the HDMI, we have two types of cables, that is nothing but HDMI A and HDMI C. So in HDMI A is nothing but a Full size version in HDMI-C is used to the laptops and portable devices such as the tablets. So HDMI Type-C cable. So HDMI is used for the standard cable used to connect audio and video devices. So the Type-C is also, we have to see the different. So in that, so actually this is nothing but a, so display port connector, and third one is nothing but, it is nothing but a figure number 3. Figure number 3 shows that, the figure number 3 shows that, third figure, it indicates that HDMI cable. So this is nothing but a mini HDMI cable actually. I think this is a better version. So this is nothing but generally called as the first one. First figure indicates a DVI cable. So this is the first cable actually. It consisting of a 20 pins, and each pin consisting of a. So if you observe here, so each row consisting of 8 pins. It is also nothing but a DVI cable, and second one is nothing but, it is nothing but a display port. Display port cable, it is nothing but display port cable. And third one is nothing but HDMI, mini HDMI, it is like a type C format. And fourth one is nothing but Thunderbolt and Thunderbolt 2 connector actually. So Thunderbolt is nothing but, so VGA cable and Thunderbolt. So the figure 4 shows the Thunderbolt actually. Thunderbolt 1 and Thunderbolt 2 gives a mini display port MDP adapter, while Thunderbolt 3 requires a USB-C connector actually. So next connector is nothing but VGA connector. VGA connector is nothing but, this is a connector for analog video. It has a 3 rows and 15 pins. It also sometimes referred to as DE15 or HD15 connector. Most of the real-time scenarios we are using the VGA cable apart from the HDMI. I mean, nowadays most of the advanced version computers use just the HDMI, but in our previous old version computers, maximum it uses the VGA cable only. So next one is nothing but, figure shows is nothing but RCA connector. RCA connector have a central plug with a ring around it and are used to carry the audio or video. RCA connectors often found in a groups of 3, where yellow connector carries a video and a pair of red and white connectors carries a left and right audio channels. And next one is nothing but BNC cable. BNC cables is nothing but, BNC connect a coaxial cables to the devices using a quarter turn connection scheme. BNC is used with digital or analog audio or video. So and the next one is nothing but DIN16, DIN6. So this connector has a 6 pins and is commonly used for analog audio, video and power in the security camera applications. Like security point of view, we are using the different kind of CC cams like. So for that purpose, this DIN6 is used for that, carrying the audio and video and power for the corresponding CC cams. So wireless, there are typically have a traditional transmitters to connected to the external monitor or TV. So we will see what are the different types of images for that one. So just we will see this one. This is actually called as a VGA cable. So most of the real-time scenario we will find in our backside of the CPU. So it is connected to the top of the CPU. So this is generally called as a VGA cable. And next one is nothing but RCA is nothing but it carries the audio as well as a video. So yellow carries a video and the remaining white and red carries the left and right audio channels. And the seventh one is nothing but BNC cable. BNC cable is also used for the like it's like a television cable for the visualizing the for watching the like television in our monitor itself also. It's like a disk cable also. So these are the different types of connectors for the PCs to watch the different kind of audios and videos in our PCs. So the next one is nothing but other ports and cables. So other ports and cables is nothing but so input and output ports, input and if you observe we have a different types of other ports compared to the video ports. So in that input output ports on a computer connect peripheral devices such as printers, scanners and portable devices. In addition to the ports and interfaces previously discussed, a computer may also have అదర్ పోర్ట్స్. సో మనం ఇప్పుడు ఏవైతే డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం వాటితో కంపేర్ చేస్తే అవి కాకుండా రిమైనింగ్ చాలా పోర్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అవి ఏంటో చూద్దాం. సో PS/2 పోర్ట్స్. సో PS/2 పోర్ట్ కనెక్ట్స్ ఏ కీబోర్డ్ ఆర్ మౌస్ టు ఏ కంప్యూటర్. మనం కీబోర్డ్ని కానీ మౌస్ని కానీ కంప్యూటర్కి కనెక్ట్ చేయాలంటే మనకు కేబుల్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఆ కేబుల్ని మనం PS2 కేబుల్ అని చెప్తాం. PS2 పోర్ట్ ఈజ్ ఏ 6-pin మినీ DIN ఫీమేల్ కనెక్టర్. యాక్చువల్లీ PS2 అనేది 6-pin మినీ DIN female cable అంటాం. This connector for keyboard, mouse are often colored differently if the ports are not color coded. So look for a small figure, the mouse keyboard next to the each port. So if you observe this, the PS2 cable is used for the mouse and the keyboard point of view. So this is a PS2 cable actually. So the next one is nothing but audio ports. Audio ports connect audio devices to the computer. Audio ports is nothing but if any audio ports is used for the audio devices are connected to the computer point of view. So analog ports typically include a line port to the connected to the external sources like stereo system. So a microphone port and line output ports to the connects to the speakers or headphones in the. So in case మనం కంప్యూటర్లో చూస్తామంటే మనం ఆడియో వినాలనుకుంటే we have different types of ports are available in the corresponding laptop or PC. So that is generally called as audio ports అని చెప్తాం వాటిని. So that is nothing but the second figure shows the audio and gaming connectors. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ జనరలీ కాల్డ్ as ఆడియో అండ్ సో మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారు లైన్ ఇన్ అని మైక్రోఫోన్ కనెక్ట్ చేయడం కోసం లైన్ అవుట్ ఒకటి. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ది డిఫరెంట్ పోర్ట్స్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ ద. సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ game port or MID. So that is nothing but figure 2 consisting of a joystick or MDA interface device. So next one is nothing but Ethernet network port. So suppose if you want to connect the network cable to the PC, we need one more cable that is generally called as a RJ45 port. An Ethernet network port has 8 pins and connects devices to the networks. The connection speed depends on the type of the network port. There are two common Ethernet standards being used, specifically fast Ethernet, that is nothing but 100 base can transmit up to 100 Mbps, and gigabit Ethernet 1000 base can transmit up to 100 Mbps per second. So the maximum length of the Ethernet network cable is 100 meters. So the total range వచ్చేసి మనకి 100 meters వరకు ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ USB ports and cables. So USB ports is generally called as a universal serial bus. USB is nothing but universal serial bus. It's a standard interface that connects a peripheral devices to the computer. USB devices are host swappable, which means that users can connect and disconnect the devices while the computer is powered on. మన కంప్యూటర్ ఆన్ చేసినప్పుడు మనం కనెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, డిస్కనెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో దానివల్ల మనకి ప్రాబ్లం ఏమి ఉండదు. సో పవర్డ్ ఆన్. సో యూఎస్బి connections can be found on a computer, cameras, printers, scanners, storage devices and may other electronic devices. ఈ యూఎస్బి కేబుల్స్ అనేవి మనం కంప్యూటర్లో కానీ డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. లైక్ మ్యాక్సిమం స్టోరేజ్ డివైజెస్ కానీ, ప్రింట్ కనెక్ట్ చేయడం కోసం కానీ, స్కానర్స్లో కానీ సో దిస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ది డిఫరెంట్ areas we are using the USB cable. A single USB port in a computer can support up to 127 separate devices with the use of a multiple USB hubs. Even a single USB cable, one single USB cable supports up to a 127 separate devices with the help of a USB hub. USB hubs యూజ్ చేసి ఒక సింగిల్ USB కేబుల్కి మనం 127 డివైజెస్ వరకు కనెక్ట్ చేసుకునే క్యాపబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ యూఎస్బి కేబుల్. సో ఎలిమినేటింగ్ ద నీడ్ ఫర్ ఏ అడిషనల్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ పవర్ సోర్స్ ఆల్సో. నెక్స్ట్ USB 1.11 allowed the transmission rates up to 12 Mbps per second. So in full speed mode 1.5 Mbps per second. In a low speed mode సో మనకి ఫుల్ స్పీడ్లో వచ్చి 1.1 12 Mbps వస్తుంది. అదే లో స్పీడ్లో అయితే అప్ టు 1.5 Mbps వరకు సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. యూఎస్బి 2.0 సో యూఎస్బి 1.1 కేబుల్ హ్యాస్ ఎ మ్యాక్సిమం లెంగ్త్ అప్ టు 9.8 feet ఓన్లీ 3 meters. యూఎస్బి కేబుల్ రేంజ్ వచ్చేసి మ్యాక్సిమం 3 meters వరకే ఉంది. యూఎస్బి 2.0 allows the transmission speed up to 480 Mbps and USB cable maximum length is 16.4, approximately 5 meters. The next advanced version in the USB cable is nothing but USB 2.0 that supports the maximum range of 5 meters. The transmission rate capability is 480 Mbps per second, but where in the case of USB 1.1 it supports only 12 Mbps per second. Next, USB 3.0 allows a transmission rate up to 5 Gbps. Actually, in USB 2 supports only Mbps. In USB 3.0, it supports in terms of 5 Gbps per second. USB 3.0 is a backward and compatible with the previous versions of USB. A USB 3.0 cable does not have a maximum defined line, all through a maximum length of 9.8 feet is generally accepted. So the maximum range is 9.8 meters. That is nothing but in terms of meters it is equal to the 3 meters range. So the next one is nothing but FireWire ports and cables. FireWire is a high speed and host swappable interface that connects a peripheral devices to the computer. A single FireWire port in a computer can support up to 63 devices. Some devices can also powered through the FireWire port, so eliminating the need of a external port. A FireWire uses the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers IEEE 1394 standards, is also known as iLink, creates the publications and standards for the technology. So that is nothing but regarding the FireWire ports and eSATA. eSATA cable is nothing but general SATA cable is used for the connected to the motherboard to the hard disk. But eSATA is nothing but it is connected to the external hard disk. So uses a pin of a 7. It uses a 7-pin cable, actually 7-pin data cable. This cable does not supply any power to the SATA device. A separate power cable provides a power to the disk. That means eSATA cable is just a data transmission point of view మాత్రం యూజ్ చేస్తాం, but it does not produce any kind of the power to the hard disk. Power supply చేయాలంటే we need to connect another power cable for the connection point. So that is nothing but gaming port and HDMI. Third one is nothing but it shows it is nothing but RJ45 actually. So these are the different output ports for the corresponding one. So the next one is nothing but adapters and connector. So adapters and connectors, there are many connection standards used in today. So many are adapters and connectors. So adapter is a component that physically connects one technology to the another actually. So DVI to HDMI. So that converter is nothing but this performs the same function as the adapter, but also translates the signals from one technology to the another technology, like USB 3.0 to SATA converter cable, hard disk drive to USB as a flash drive. So this is nothing but DVI to VGA adapter. Actually, adapter is nothing but this is a component that physically connects one technology to the other component. It connects one technology to the another technology. Actually, DVI cable very VGA cable. That means it supports both actually DVI cable and VGA conversion actually. The second thing is nothing but there are many types of adapters and connectors are available, like DVI to HDMI cable and DVI to VGA supporter and USA to USB and USB to Ethernet. So in just the DVI to HDMI is nothing but this adapter is used to connect a HDMI monitor to DVI port. HDMI monitor means DVI cable connect చేస్తారు. Next DVI to VGA అంటే used to connect a VGA cable to DVI port. Next USB-A to USB-B is not. This adapter is used to connect a USB-A port to the USB port actually. USB to Ethernet adapter and USB to PSO, that is nothing but it's like a keyboards are connected with the help of a USB cable and HDMI to VGA connector. So Thunderbolt to DVA connectors. So these are the different types of connecting devices actually. So figure 2 shows it is nothing but USB to Ethernet actually. It's look like a Ethernet cable actually, RJ45. It's like a RJ45. It is used as a net cable actually. So this pin indicates that it is nothing but a USB port, like a USB port. So this is, instead of this pin we can connect it like this also. So that is nothing but a connectors actually, adapters. So next one, third figure shows the figure 3 shows it is nothing but USB to PST. Actually, it is usually generally used for the keyboard or mouse purpose. It is also connected like in the USB format. So that is why it is called as a USB to adapter. So these are all the different types of adapters and converters. So that is nothing but like a video external ports and cables. So we will discussing regarding the input devices in the next class. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.